Here we have something called ACL, Edit ACL. So if we click on that, what we have here are our access control. And this is for each of our buckets. So in the current bucket, which is my storage bucket, I have everyone read, write, and full control, authenticated users read, write, and full control, and owner read, write, and full control, which is what I want in the case of my store videos, because this is only for my use. So anything I upload here is simply storage for myself. Now, under public videos, if I go to the ACL, I'm going to want to edit this. So I'm going to want everyone to be able to read it. That way, if I have videos in there that I want people to be able to read, or I want people to be able to download files, I want them to be able to read it. Click OK, and that's how we set the permissions the way we need them. And now I've selected a folder that I want to upload, and here's our buckets. And I'm going to upload this folder into public videos. So double click on that, and then what we'll do is we click on Tour, we right click, and we click Upload. Now what will happen is it will upload all of the files in the queue up into our bucket called public-videos. Okay, so our folder has now been uploaded inside of our bucket called public videos. Now here's something to be cautious of. Let's look at the ACL, access control level. Notice that it is not readable, and that is because, now we can set it here if we want. If we go to Edit ACL, we could actually set it to be readable here, or what we could do, if we always want everything in this bucket to be readable by the public, and we could go into Edit ACL, and then down here just make sure we have Apply to Subfolders checked and click OK. Now when we go in here, we'll see that it is readable, and all the files in here will be able to be read as well. Okay, so we've uploaded all of our video files here now. Now, to access it, we have to use a special URL to this one, and it will be our bucket name, public-videos.s3.amazonaws.com/tour, and then /tour.html will be how we access this video. And just to make sure that works, we'll bring that up now. Actually, now let's clear this. We can clear the completed. Now I'll bring up a blank window here, and then we will paste the URL in there that we need to use. So the generic name is bucket name. So what you will use is the name of your bucket.s3.amazonaws.com/folder name/file name. And that's how you access files. I'm going to include all this in a document that comes with the video so that you know what I'm talking about here, and I'm going to show you in a sec here. Okay, it's now loading the video into the browser here. And as you can see, it's loading Camtasia Studio file in there, and that's how we get everything to work in our Amazon S3 account. Now let's just go over how to embed your video into an existing web page. Now for this last bit here, let's just look at how to embed the code into the HTML for an existing website. So here we have the code that came with this project on my computer here. So if we open this with Notepad, we can take the embed code out of here. See, you're just looking for simple embed code. So what we can do is just grab the simple embed code, do a copy, close this. I'm going to make a whole new web page here, but I could just pop that into any web page if I want. But I'm going to create a new web page. I'm just going to do it with Composer here. And go to Code, Source. And we'll just pop it right in here. And then all we have to do is put the new path to the files here. So our path is, remember, is the bucket name .s3.amazon.ws.com/tour/tour.html. Well, we don't want tour.html in there because we're not actually accessing the file. We're just accessing the directory. The files are inside the /tour directory. If we go back to our S3 here, we want the tour directory. And then our files are inside there. So let's go back to our website here and let's get the URL to where the files are. And all we have to do is put in front of the file names our path. Okay, so just like that. And then we do the same thing here, and then we do the same thing here. So anywhere where it's referencing a file, where it has a source equals, that's going to be a file that we need to put the URL in front of so that it knows to access them there. I think I got them all here. Just zip across here. Okay, here's another one. Got too many slashes going on there. Okay, so anyway. Alright, so that's it. Just fix these slashes here that I somehow have too many of. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll save our web page here to our desktop. So we'll save that to our desktop. And now we will open that. And there it is. We've now embedded the video right into our web page. Click play and it should start to play. And you see that it is playing. Okay, so that's about all you need to know about using Amazon S3 to store your files and to have people be able to publicly access your files as well.